Good morning, children. Let us continue with lesson number 3, patterns. Book exercise in page number 47. Let us practice activity 2, page number 47. Complete the following. A. 54 divided by 9. Answer is 6. B. Sum 540 divided by 9. Answer is 60. C. 5400 divided by 9. What is answer? Correct. 600. 600. D. Sum. You do, children. D. Complete the following sequence in page number 47. First sum. 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 66, 594. 9 into 66, 594. 5 into 666, 5994. 9 into 666, 5994. Next one. 9 into 6666. 9 into 6666. 5 after triple 9, 4. 5 triple 9, 4. 5 triple 9, 4. Let us read, children. 59,994. 59,994. Next one you do, children. Thank you.